This is a 1 BHK, and as you enter, right on the opposite side is the kitchen, and it's gonna be empty flat, but it has a water filter and two air conditioners. This is a common wash basin with a big mirror. This has a washroom, one washroom. Along with it, there's a hot water arrangement. This is a bedroom, which has a an AC, and it has a door, so kind of privacy. Two can stay here, and there's a door for this as well. So this is the second room. It has an AC, and again it's quite peaceful over here. Double fan. Again, this has a separate door.